Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ready to make collaboration in Notion easier than ever? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to invite someone to your Notion workspace. Whether you're working with a teammate, a friend, or even a whole group, you'll learn how to share your Notion pages, set custom permissions, and choose the best way for others to join in. By the end, you'll confidently know how to get people into your Notion workspace and working together while keeping your information safe and organized. Let's jump right in. First, when you have your Notion workspace open, look towards the very top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a button labeled Share. This is your gateway to letting others into your workspace. Go ahead and click on it. It might take a second to spot if you have a lot of items open, but once you see it, you're on the right track. After you click Share, you'll notice a box or menu pop up. This is where the magic happens. Right here, you can invite people directly by typing in their email addresses. Just start typing and you'll see suggestions pop up if you've shared with them before. Enter the email of the person you want to invite. Maybe it's a colleague who's going to edit the page with you, or a friend who just needs to take a look. Now, before you click that Invite button, Notion asks you how much access this person should have. This part is really important. Think of it like giving someone a key to your house. Do they need full access where they can edit, share, and even manage collaborators? Or maybe you just want them to be able to edit the content but not mess with viewing permissions or sharing? There's also Can Comment. Perfect if you want feedback or suggestions, but don't want them editing your actual notes. And if you only want them to read, for reference or review, then choose Can View. Take a moment here and match the level of access with what each person really needs. This is crucial to keeping your information both collaborative and secure. Once you're set, click Invite. Notion will send that person an email with your invitation, and once they accept, they'll be able to join your workspace just like that. Sometimes the invite email might end up in their spam folder, so if they don't see it right away, have them check there. But what if you want to share your Notion page with a larger group, or even people who don't have a Notion account yet? In that case, you can generate a link to your page and send it out. Back in that Share menu, you'll see the option to copy a link. Before you send this link around, though, make sure you adjust the general access settings. You'll see an option like Anyone with the link. This means anyone who has that link can access your page. Again, you'll be able to decide if they can view, comment, or edit. It's a fantastic way to share dashboards, project plans, or resources with a class, a remote team, or just friends who want to check things out without logging in. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Don't worry if it takes a little time to get familiar with the sharing options. Once you start inviting people, it quickly becomes second nature. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want tips for organizing your Notion workspace, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.